everybody, it's Neil and I have Dewalt tools and I got myself these batteries here. I've actually gotten some of them before because I have a lawnmower that just eats batteries, but these ones here are 12 amp hour and they are just fit right into the Dewalt just like everything else. They have the same little button here. What's cool about these two is they have the little button here. Actually came charged, which is nice. So these ones here are 20 volt lithium, 12 amp hour, and I get a 4-pack of them here. And it was such a deal, probably 4 of them or less than 1 of the original ones. But this is awesome, so I'm gonna be mowing my lawn, back in business again with 4 of these Dewalt compatible batteries. They are lithium ion, just like everything of the original. You can just see all the different stuff out there. They are nice and durable and sturdy. And it looks like I've got 4 of them here, so I'm all set to go for a while. I use 2 at a time. Thumbs up, very nice. I like it.